Good day, everyone. So today ang report is all about supervising office employees. So unta maminaw mo and thank you for your time.
What is situational theory of leadership? The situational theory of leadership developed by Paul Hershey and Ken Blanchard stated there is no single best leader styles. Instead, effective leadership depends on situations and the willingness of the followers. Leaders must adapt their approach based on their team needs. So, si Paul Hershey and Ken Blanchard daw nag-ingon nga walay best leadership. So, instead of kanang depende ra sa situations nga example nga kanang naay ka ng bago na hire nga employee. So, mag-adjust ang kanang leader nga dapat niya tudloon ang ang employee and if na employee nga kanang competent siya sa iyang kabalo na siya sa kung saan buhaton niya. So, ah like iyaha like tuuhan na lang niya yung employee nga she can do best. So, four leadership styles. So, number one is telling or directing, high direction, slow support for experienced followers. So, number two, selling or coaching, high direction, high supportive for motivated but unskilled followers. Number three, participating or supporting, low directions, high support for skilled but unconfident followers. So delegating, low directions, low support for highly skilled and motivated followers.
So follower development levels first is enthusiastic beginner, so low competence, high commitment, and delusional learner, so some competence, low commitment, so incapable but cautious performer, high competence, variable commitments, and self-reliant achiever, high competence, high commitments. Leader must access their team members, develop levels and approach enhances productivity, motivations, and team direction. So, as you can see, naay ka ng example dili nga mo ni siya ang leadership model sa kay Hershey Blanchard situational leadership theories. So, an enthusiastic beginner sa kuno. So, ang low competence siya and high commitment. And delusional learner kay naay mga uban nga competent sila but low commitment and capable but conscious performer, high commitment, so variable commitment. So mo siya ang mga maayo nga mga employer or follower. And self-reliant achiever, high competence, high commitment. So mo siya ang mga murag high na gid sila nga level sa follower. No? So leader must assess their members. So, kailangan din nato i-assess atong mga members para ma-develop ang ilahang and adjust their leader style accordingly. And what is supervision? So, a supervision is the process in which a supervisor oversees, guides, supports, and evaluates the work of an individual or a group to ensure quality, efficiency, and professional development. It is common in workplace, education, healthcare, and various professional settings. So, ang supervision program is a process where a supervisor oversees kanang mag-guide sa mga employees and support sa employee ug mag-evaluate sa uh, skills sa employee. And kani pong supervision is and usually ni siya maano sa mga education, sa workplaces, healthcare, and various professional settings. So, dili gini siya mawala sa mga company or mga buildings, no? Kaya importante gid ang supervision. So functions of supervision. So number one is administrative functions ensures compliance with policies, assign tasks, and monitors productivity. So ang kani administrative functions is mo siya ang maghatag og policies sa mga employees, assigns, sa task sa employees and mag-monitor sa productivities sa employees. So number two is educational function to provide training, feedback, and skills development to enhance professional growth. So ang educational functions kay mo siya ang mga leaders nga mag-provide og training, feedback sa leadership and mag-skill development sa mga employees. And number three is supportive functions offers emotional and psychological support to boost motivation and job satisfaction. So ang kanang siya nga mga leaders is dapat gyud siya mag-support sa mga employees or stress ang mga employees hatagan og free time. So kanang dili kay siya kanang maghatag daghang kay activity ang mga leaders so that dili kay ma-stress ang mga ano ug iwas pod resign. Number four is evaluate functions, assesses performance, identifies strengths and weakness, and provides feedback for improvement. So, ang kaning pag-evaluate functions is mo ni siya ang mga leaders na mag-evaluate sa mga employees kung saan ba ilahang performance o makita dira nga na sila'y performance development o kanang ga-improve ba ang mga employee. So number five is leadership and guidance helps with decision making, problem solving, and fostering teamwork. So ang leadership and guidance kay makatabang na siya sa og kanang decision making, problem solving, and foster teamwork. So ang sa workplace kay kinahanglan gid nga paspas gid ta og kanang decision making like kabalo gid ta mag problem solving og lagi teamwork sa isa ka workplace ug kanang kabalo man gid ta nga kanang nga dili man gid maplastar ang workplace kung walay leader, kung walay mga HR.
Characteristic of effective supervisor. Kaya siya ay magay sa team, kung unsay angay buhaton, na community skills, may nairespeto sa mga isig katawo.
That's all. Thank you for listening.